Hey guys, it's your girl Renee, and I am going to do an unboxing that I received yesterday, and it is going to be my dehydrator. I've been wanting one of these forever, so let's do an unboxing. Alright, this is the box, and it's by Rosewell, and I got it on Walmart online. So let's open this box and see what this dehydrator looks like. Because with all the stuff I've been growing in my garden, I want to start trying to do some dehydrating. So this is the best thing I can think of for the garden. That's what it looks like, all boxed up. Looks like hopefully none of the pieces will be broken. So let's see if I can get it out of here without me breaking it. Let's see. Get it out of here. Alright. This piece off. This one off. This one over here. Now let's see what we're working with. Alright, let's see. I think I got the 5-tray one. Because I was thinking I may do some onions in here, may do some basil, may do some banana chips. I might do some dill in here. So this is what one of the trays look like. Just a clear plastic. And let's see how many they have. Comes with your instructions. And it has a little paper on here. Let's see what it says. It says dehydrated trays, if they can be safe in the dishwasher, must be placed in the tray on the top rack of the dishwasher. Remove the trays from the dishwasher before drying cycle begins, or the trays may fracture at extremely hot drying temperature. The cover to the dehydrator cannot be washed. So the cover cannot be washed. It comes with the instruction manual, and it came in with this little thing. It says what? How can we help? Oh, it's like an 800 number. If you're having any issues or problems, you can call them and they'll assist you. And then they want you to share this with your friends if you find the product worth sharing. And you know, I will let you know how well it worked when I try it out. So let's check out. Oh, it comes with the little liners that I was reading on. I did a little bit of research, and these are the liners that you're supposed to put down, I guess, to protect the trays. So it comes with a clear basket. It has liners. How many liners do you get? You get a total of 2 liners. Has holes in them, easily to wash them. And this liner is for when you stick this one on here. If you have anything that will drop through the liner, this is like your catch tray right here. So that's a good thing to know. And I love it how when you have your liner in here and you have all your stuff that's dried and you're trying to get the liner out, it has this little, like this little indentation right here to help you get your finger in there so you can easily remove it and put it back. So I guess everything that you dehydrated doesn't spill all over the place. Alright, let me show you what the front of it looks like. count and make sure I have enough trays. So this is what the front looks like. On and off switch here. And then this is the dial that tells you the degrees. But this one doesn't have a timer. I heard some dehydrators have a timer. So this is what the numbers are. I don't know if my phone will focus, but those are what the numbers, the dials. And then this is what the bottom looks like. Has all the model number, all that information on there if you want to see it. And it comes up with a normal outlet plug. So let's see what these instructions say. But let's see how many trays we get with it. We get a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trays, catch rack, and 2 plastic liners. And this is the lid that they were saying that you cannot put it in the dishwasher on the drying, because I guess this will crack, because this plastic isn't a very, thick plastic. You can easily crack this. I guess I'm gonna have to be extra careful. So far so good. And then the lid just sits on top of that. So let's see what these instructions are all about. See what kind of foods we can stick in here. That's the main thing I want to know. What can I put in my dehydrator? So they're saying before you put anything in here, you have to wash it, remove any more parts that are spoiled. You do not want to put inside your dehydrator, and anything that has a lot of juice. I guess maybe it'll run through to the bottom of the bottom shelf. So let's see. And they were saying something about drying medicinal plants you can do in here. You can dry vegetables in here. It says it makes 5 to 6 bowls of yogurt in 7 hours easily. I didn't know that. Oh, and they have recipes for regular yogurt, green tea yogurt, and then they have instructions on storing dry food. And this little chart right here is a breakdown of your fruit. If I wanted to do pineapple, it says I have to pour out, this is the pineapple in a can. You have to pour out any juices before you dehydrate it, and then condition after drying is going to be soft. So I guess the canned pineapple is going to be super hard, and it says it takes 6 to 36 hours. Good grief. How much is a banana? You peel it, and you have to dice it 3 to 4 millimeters thick. It comes out crispy, and that one takes 8 to 38 hours. So I'm thinking this thing is you put your fruit in there, you set it, and you forget it. What about my favorite, which is peaches? It says I can cut up 2 pieces, remove the pit, and they'll dry them halfway. It's going to be soft, and this one is 6 to 26. Let's find something that isn't from 26 to 38 hours. Let's find something that's a normal time. You can do apples. Okay, it says we have to peel the apple, remove the core, slice into round pieces, and it's going to be soft, but the kicker is it only takes 4 to 6 hours. Now that's more like it. More like it. Let's see. Oh, this one you can do artichokes, eggplant, broccoli, mushrooms, green beans, vegetables. You can do cabbage, Brussels sprouts, cauliflowers, potatoes, and my thing I need to know is onions, because I remember I had all those onions that I grew, and I have them on my drying table outside. So let's see how long it takes to do these onions. It says slice into thin round pieces. They come out crispy, and the time it will take is 8 to 14 hours. I guess that's not too bad. Well, I don't think we want to be doing no Brussels sprouts, because Brussels sprouts take 8 to 30 hours. Whew, that's a long time. Well, I guess it's a dehydrator. It says carrots. You can do carrots, sweet potatoes. That's another thing I need to do. Parsley, tomatoes. Oh, dehydrated tomatoes. They come out hard, and they take 8 to 24 hours. I don't know about that. Let's go with celery, spring onions. That's 6 to 10, and you got to shred them first. Then you have asparagus, you have garlic, you have spinach. So, it says primary preparation for meat. If you want to do beef jerky, you can do it in here. You can do fish, you can do poultry, and you can do any kind of game animal. And they've got a recipe in there for you. For standard pickling ingredients, you need a ½ cup of soybean sauce, 1 clove of garlic cut into small pieces, 2 helping spoonfuls of ketchup, 1 1/4 teaspoons of salt, a ½ teaspoon of dried pepper, and then you mix it carefully. And this is for poultry and fish and game animals. And then on the back, it just gives you the model number. Alright guys, so this is my new dehydrator. I am going to be trying this out today. I'm going to put, I don't know if I want to do my onions in here, because my main concern is, let me put you up so you can see me talking to you. My main concern is, if I do onions in here, will it smell the whole house up as it's dehydrating? What's the noise level of this thing? Is it going to be one of them loud rattling noises to where you're going to have to sit this thing outside? I don't know. I've never had a dehydrator before, so if you've had a dehydrator before, leave it down in the comments and at the bottom, and let me know if you've had this model. And this one is this name brand is Roswell, and it's model number is 15001. So if you've had this particular dehydrator, let me know what your thoughts and concerns are about it. Let me know, because this is something I've been wanting forever. So I'm so excited to have my dehydrator, and I hope that this dehydrator will bring me many, many, many years of dehydrating all the things that I grow in my garden and sharing them with my friends, and just a healthy lifestyle, and to be able to not have to go to the grocery store and pay all that money for, dried basil and, dill, when we can just go in our gardens, pick it, dehydrate it, store it in our own little containers. So I am so, so, so excited. All right, so my second unboxing will be, I'm not going to tell you. You're just going to have to stay tuned and get ready to see what else did Renee buy. Well, the times that we live in, we've got to start growing our food, which I'm so proud that everybody is doing. And we have got to learn to preserve them any way that we can. So this is my first start of preserving my own vegetables. And I don't know, I may try some of that, see how chicken is. Hey, I have nothing but time on my hand until I'm able to go back to work. So you might as well have fun and make some healthy things for your family. Alright guys, if you haven't given me a thumbs up for this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to know when my other videos are coming your way, please hit that little bell, notification bell, and subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Alright guys, take care and have a wonderful day. And wish me luck on my new dehydrator. Alright guys, take care.